Left Colic Artery, 11 questions and answers. Is the left colic artery a branch of the inferior mesenteric artery? Yes, the left colic artery is a branch of the inferior mesenteric artery. Does the left colic artery travel behind the peritoneum? Yes, the left colic artery travels behind the peritoneum. Does the left colic artery travel in front of the psoas major muscle? Yes, the left colic artery travels in front of the psoas major muscle. Does the left colic artery divide into ascending and descending branches after passing the peritoneum and psoas major muscle? Yes, the left colic artery divides into ascending and descending branches after passing the peritoneum and psoas major muscle. Does the ascending branch of the left colic artery travel anterior to the left kidney? Yes, the ascending branch of the left colic artery travels anterior to the left kidney. Does the left colic artery enter the transverse mesocolon? Yes, the left colic artery enters the transverse mesocolon. Does the left colic artery anastomose with the middle colic artery? Yes, the left colic artery anastomoses with the middle colic artery. Does the descending branches of the left colic artery anastomose with the highest sigmoid artery? Yes, the descending branches of the left colic artery anastomose with the highest sigmoid artery. What does the ascending branch of the left colic artery supply? The ascending branch of the left colic artery supplies the upper portion of the descending colon. Does the ascending branch of the left colic artery supply the distal part of the transverse colon? Yes, the left colic artery's ascending branch supplies the transverse colon's distal part. Does the left colic artery's descending branch supply the descending colon's lower part? Yes, the descending branch of the left colic artery supplies the lower part of the descending colon.